Hello friend, myself Rajesh from Universal Public School, Shahjani Aurad. Now today we start a new chapter as sets. In everyday life, we speak a collection of particular kind such that collection of flowers or collection of pens, crowd of people, right? A cricket team or a football team. In mathematics also we use special or collection of prime numbers, collection of natural numbers, collection of type of triangles. Such kinds of examples are come across in sets. Right? See here the examples are odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers less than 10. So that is less than 10 means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The river of India, the rivers of India, rivers of India, the oval, the ovals, the ovals in the English alphabets, that is A, E, I, O, U, right? Day of a week, day of a week, months in the year, in a year, right? Such type of examples are come in the sets. See here, odd number less than 10. तो odd number less than 10 बोले तो हमारे सामने कितने नंबर्स रहेंगे? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 रहेंगे. The rivers of India, right? The vowels in the English alphabets कितने vowels है? 5 है. A, E, I, O, U. And day of a week तो कितने days है? 7 days है. Month in a year. Such type of examples are come in set. See here. Next. Brave, brave children's, brave children's in the class. Or happy students in the class. See here, the word brave and happy is not perfectly defined, right? Brave, children's in the class. तो ब्रेव इसे मेजर करने के लिए पर्टिकुलर हमारे पास इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है. हैप्पी, कोई बच्चे हैप्पी रहेंगे नहीं रहेंगे हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट? हैप्पी, ब्रेव, ब्रिलियंट, सच टाइप ऑफ kinds of words are not come in the set. Okay, see here. तो set means तो डेफिनेट नंबर हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. तो सेट मीन्स तो देखो डे ऑफ ए वीक, डे ऑफ ए वीक रहने के बाद हमारे सामने कितने डेज रहेंगे? 7 डेज रहेंगे. मंथ इन द ईयर तो कितने? 12 मंथ रहेंगे, राइट? तो ऐसे पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल के आंसर आना चाहिए हमारे आंखों के सामने. आप देखो इवन नंबर बिटवीन 2 to 10, तो बिटवीन 2 to 10 मींस 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. Such kinds of examples are come in the set. So what is the definition of set? What is the definition of set? The collection of well-defined objects are called sets. The collection of well-defined 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 objects are called sets, right? The collection of well-defined objects are called sets. Generally sets are denoted by capital letters, that is A, B, C up to Z, and the element or member the elements or members are denoted by small letters, that is A, B, C up to Z. See here, the collection of well-defined objects are called sets, and generally sets are represented by capital letters A, B, C, D up to Z, and the element or member of a set are represented by small letters as A, B, C, D up to Z. See here, if A is a element or member, if A is a element of set A, then we can write A is belongs to A. This is epsilon and it stands for belongs to. Suppose A is not a element or member of set A, then A does not belongs to A, right? Suppose A is an element of set A, then we can write A is belongs to A, and suppose A is not belongs to set A, then we can write A is does not belongs to A. Suppose take any example. See here, a set of even number between 2 to 10, right? A set A is equal to, between 2 to 10 means 4, 6, 8. See here, a set of even number between 2 to 10. See here, A is a set and this is curly bracket, and 4, 6, 8 are the element or member of a set. See here, how can write? 4 is belongs to A, 6 is also belongs to A, and 8 is also belongs to set A, but 5 does not belongs to A, right? तो ऐसे में प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. Now let us observe the set of numbers. Now let us observe the set of number. See here, so n is a set of natural number, is a set of natural number, right? N means natural numbers, right? And second, 0, 1, 2, 3 is a set of whole numbers, right? Next, I is a set of integer, right? And Q is a set of rational numbers, and R is a set of real numbers, right? These are the set of numbers, natural numbers. The collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers, and whole numbers, the numbers including 0 are natural numbers, including 0 are called whole numbers, and I is the integer, Q is the rational number, and R is the real number. Next we go to methods of writing sets. Methods of writing sets. See here, first method is listing method or roster method. Listing method or roster method. See here, in this method we write all the element of a set in curly bracket. Each of the element is written only once and separated by comma. तो हमें suppose the word school है समझो, right? और school है समझो, right? इसमें ओ repeat आएंगे, तो listing method में only once time लिखना है, तो और comma आएंगे. Suppose A is a set and S C H O L, right? So see here, in this method we write all the element of a set in curly bracket. So see here, this is a curly bracket. Each of the element is written only once. See here, O is repeated, but we write only once, and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the element of the set, right? They give an example. The set of odd number between 1 to 10. Set of odd number. Set of odd number between 1 to 10 can be written as A is a set, and 1 to 10 means 3, 5, 7, 9, right? If the element comes more than once, then it is customary to write the element only once. In the word remember, see here, I will give the example of another one, remember. See here, in this word E is repeated, M is repeated and R is also repeated. Then set कैसे लिखते हैं? R E M B, राइट, R E M B। तो ऐसे हमें लिखना है लिस्टिंग मेथड में। तो उनसे भी टर्म और नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं लेना है और जितने भी वर्ड्स रहेंगे उसके सभी लिखना है। ओके, तो इसे लिस्टिंग मेथड और रोस्टर मेथड कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वन, रूल मेथड। Rule method or set builder form. See here, in this method we do not write the list of element but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or column and write the property of the variable. See here, example is given. X, A is a set and X is belongs such that X is belongs to N and 1 is less than X and less than 10. See here, they give one example and read as A is a set and X such that X is belongs to N and X is less than or greater than 1 and less than 10। तो देखो कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम। तो देखो इसे कैसे पढ़ते हैं। A set is the set A is the set of R। तो इसे लिखो, a set A is the set of all X such that X is a natural number between 1 to 10। तो देखो रूल मेथड में हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, राइट, स्टेटमेंट की तरह, राइट। तो देखो A is a set of all X such that X is a natural number between 1 to 10। अब इसे हम लिस्टिंग मेथड में लिखे तो see 1 to in between 1 to 10 means 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 9, right? A is a set of all X such that X is belongs to N or X is a natural number in between 1 to 10। तो रूल मेथड में ऐसे स्टेटमेंट लिखना है और लिस्टिंग मेथड में हमें नंबर्स लिखना है। Say another example. See here, a set of whole number between 0 to 10,000। तो देखो लिस्टिंग मेथड में लिखे तो लिखने को आता है लेकिन टाइम कंज्यूम बहुत होगा, समय बहुत लगेगा, इसलिए हम इसे रूल मेथड और सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं। आप देखो कैसे लिख सकते हैं। ए सेट ऑफ ए होल नंबर बिटवीन 0 to 10,000। तो A is a set X such that X is belongs to, होल नंबर का सिंबल क्या है, W है, राइट, and 0 is less than X is less than 10,000, राइट। तो हम इसे कैसे पढ़ते हैं। A is a set of all X such that X is a whole number between 0 to 10,000, इसलिए हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म यूज करते हैं। तो छोटे प्रॉब्लम रहे तो हम डायरेक्ट रूल मेथड इसमें लिस्टिंग मेथड में और रोस्टर मेथड में कर सकते हैं. सपोज दे गिवन 0 to 10,000, 1 lakh, then we use rule method or set builder form. And see here in your book they given page number 3, they given many examples here. Rule method, set builder form और listing और roster form में दिए से देखो a x such that is a letter of the word division, right? तो listing method में कैसे लिखना है आपके बुक में दिए सो है, right? Fill in the blank given in the following tables, right? तो आप करो ये. Suppose any doubt then ask me. Then we go to practice set 1.1. See here, practice set 1.1. In that question number 1, write the following set in roster form or listing form, right? Question number 1, set of even numbers, right? The given set of even number, तो हमें listing और roster method में हमें लिखना है, right? I will take A is a set, right? Even numbers 2, 4, 6 and so on, right? They not given finite number, they just given even numbers, so even numbers लिखे सही. तो इतना ही करना है. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड, सेट ऑफ इवन प्राइम नंबर, सेट ऑफ इवन प्राइम numbers from 1 to 50. See here, set of even prime number from 1 to 50. We know that we have only one even prime number as 2. तो उसे set के फॉर्म में लिखना है. A is a set and 2. Right? This is the even prime number. Only 2 is the prime number. Next, set of negative integer. Third, set of negative integer. Right? Set of negative integers means I. नेगेटिव इंटीजर को I और यहाँ भी B, C कौन सी भी नंबर दे सकते हैं, कौन सी भी वर्ड्स, राइट? सेट ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स -3 or you write -1, -2, -3 and so on, right? This is set of negative integer. Remaining problem doing homework. Next see here, question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in the words. तो symbolic में दिए से हमें words में लिखना है. Is belongs to Q, right? Statement में लिखना है. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 4/3 is a element of Q, और इसको ही हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 4/3 is a member of Q, or 4/3 is a element of rational number, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, -2 does not belongs to n. तो इसे कैसे लिखते हैं? -2 is not a element of set n और set of natural number. एंड थर्ड को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? तो आप लिखो P is the set of P's such that P is an odd number. See here, next third example. See here the given, write any two sets by using listing method and by rule method, right? तो फर्स्ट लिस्टिंग मेथड लिखेंगे, उसके बाद रूल मेथड लिखेंगे हम, right? तो एग्जांपल नंबर 1, see here write any two set by listing method as well as rule method, right? तो a 1 2 3 4, तो इसे ही हम रूल मेथड में लिखेंगे। a x such that x is first 4 natural numbers, right? So x, a is a set of all x such that x is a first 4 natural numbers. See here 1 2 3 4 are the first 4 natural numbers. Second, b is equal to a e I o u, right? तो इसे हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? See here b x such that x is a ovens of English alphabets, right? See here तो लिस्टिंग मेथड एंड रूल मेथड, सी here लिस्टिंग मेथड में हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं और मोर एग्जांपल भी आप दे सकते हैं, राइट? And see here question number 4, the given, write the following set using listing method. See here the second question, letter in the word complement, तो लिस्टिंग मेथड में हमें लिखना है, राइट? तो a, see here C O M P L E M is repeated, E is not repeated, L T, right? नेक्स्ट उसमें ही देखो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में, सेट ऑफ ह्यूमन सेंसरी ऑर्गन, राइट? सेट ऑफ ह्यूमन सेंसरी ऑर्गन कितने हैं? 5 है। नोज, ईयर, आई, स्किन एंड टंग, right? The remaining problem you do in the homework. See here the fifth question is given, write the following sets using rule method. तो rule method में हमें लिखना है। तो first A set is given 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 and 100. See here these are the square numbers between 1 to 10 or from 1 to 10. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and so on. 10 square is 100, right? तो हमें स्टेटमेंट में लिखना है A is a set X such that X and X is equal to L square x is equal to n square and n is less than or equal to 10. और यहाँ एक स्टेटमेंट लिखो n is belongs to capital N. See here x such that x is equal to n square. So suppose x is equal to 1, so 1 square is 1, x is equal to 2, 2 square is 4, x is equal to 3, 3. That's why n is belongs to natural number and n is less than or equal to 10. And see here B question number 2. See here the given 6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and we can write, see here, x is belongs to such that x is a multiple of 6 up to 8 terms. तो ऐसे हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. Suppose any doubt in this practice set, then ask in WhatsApp. Thank you.